Hey, what's up? I'm the Crypto Lifer. Thanks for coming to my channel. Hope you're having a good morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you like my content and the VOD that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment. I love reading the comments. And don't forget to share this. Facebook pages, Instagram, send it out to the world. Let people know you're finding out about amazing projects daily at the Crypto Lifer YouTube channel. So today I have an amazing project to talk to you about. It's called Meter Governance. That's right, Meter Governance. I think this thing is insane. I think the concept behind it is awesome, and I think it's definitely worth your time researching. So check it out. It is at $8.53. Market cap is extremely small at $24.4 million market cap. So this thing can go all the way easily to 100 million, and that's a 5x from here. If it gets to $1 billion, we're talking a 50x. So this thing could do some major damage and boost your portfolio in some crazy ways. It's number 743, and you know I like to find my gems between 400 and 800. So it's in the sweet spot, a little on the high side, but that's okay. I like what we're looking at right now. We go over to the Twitter. It's very healthy with 8,282 followers. In the last 12 hours, they've posted. They're consistently active, 12 hours, 16 hours. They have got a good team. I like what I'm seeing already with their marketing. I like how they're getting their name out there. Then I like to go to the Telegram channel and check out that. 8,000 members there as well. Let's see if it's moving. Let's see what's going on. We got a lot of action, people saying hi, information about the currency, and all that awesome information. I like the Telegram channel. It has a good amount of numbers for a market cap of $24 million. So off the bat, healthy. I like what we're seeing. Now let me tell you about the project and why I like the project and why I think you're going to really think it's absolutely amazing. Now when we go to the website, it says Supercharged Ethereum for the financial internet. Now it's going to be an amazing product too. Highly decentralized, fast and scalable, and interconnected. Meter excels compared to other scaling solutions. Now you want to compare it to other scaling coins like Matic or Scale. And look, Meter, compatible with Ethereum like they are. Scalable with thousands of validators. They are not. Thousands of transactions per second. They cannot. Low fees. They all have it. And now it's built in a metastable currency. We'll get into what that talks about and what that means in a second. It's a heterogeneous network of blockchains. It's instant finality, staking, and mainnet. It has a heterogeneous network of blockchains. That does not occur with Matic and Scale. And this metastable currency, I'm going to show you right now, this will blow your mind. So I have a video I want you to watch for a second. We're going to get into what makes this coin extremely unique. Check this out.
What if your purchasing power could be the same in 20 years as it is today? Meter is a global currency that anchors the power of blockchain to the stability of electricity, creating a revolutionary financial network with low volatility. Like Bitcoin, Meter uses proof-of-work mining to create MTR digital currency. Unlike Bitcoin, however, Meter adds proof-of-stake consensus to the equation and separates currency creation from record keeping. This keeps the network secure, lightweight, and lightning fast. Meter payments are made using MTR global currency, while those same payments are validated with MTRG governance tokens. The dynamism of this economic design keeps participants engaged, incentivized, and honest. The value of MTR global currency is pegged to the cost of 10 kilowatt hour, kWh. Because electricity prices are globally competitive, they're remarkably stable and outperform the value harboring characteristics of volatile cash assets like the dollar, euro, or yen. That means Meter is better at retaining consistent purchasing power that not only cash, but also Bitcoin, Litecoin, and stablecoins pegged to fiat. Meter's ultra-high performance blockchain can handle thousands of transactions per second, putting it on par with the scaling powers of today's credit networks. With Meter, your payment instantly arrives at its destination safe, sound, and worth the same as when it left. Make money move with Meter, the future of digital currency.
I am quite impressed. Now, we're all going after what do we do when the market ends, when the bull run ends? Where do you put your money? Do you put it in a gold-backed coin? You're going to go into USDT and connect yourself back to the US dollar? That's a sinking ship? Doesn't make any sense. Why would you make all this money in cryptocurrency only to put your winnings back into a coin that's pegged to the US dollar? That makes no sense to me and actually sounds a bit like insanity. Why would you go back in to what we are all running away from? So if I connect my funds to a coin that's connected to a kilowatt hour of electricity in value, then I could probably keep my value for a long time, possibly forever, as they've been mentioning here. Interesting though, what happens if we get free energy and the value of electricity depletes? Is that something that could have a problem for this coin? Right now, it's a good idea and I think it works, and I think the concept and through speculation, this coin can go all the way to about $80 to $100 a coin. I see this getting to a $240 million market cap. That's a 10x from this 24 million, and getting into the top 300 coins, maybe even into the top 250. So Meter governance, I want to put this on your radar, guys. I think you should really do your research. I'm not saying buy every single thing that I talk about. And as I say about every video on this channel, none of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own research before you buy any coin that I speak about here on the channel. All of this is for entertainment purposes and for speculation only. So with that out the way, I think I may actually dabble in Meter governance. So if I'm going to purchase this coin, I'd like to show you guys where you can get it. I'd also like to show you a little bit of TA so you can find out where it's going to go and where the best place is to accumulate this. So here is the chart for Meter governance token, and I want to take you through basically its lifeline. It started about 94 cents. It came all the way up and hit $2.84. So it did a nice 3x, would come lower than its initial, all the way low, stay at about 21 cents for a while before it boomed all the way up to about $6.70. So that month of February into March was huge for a lot of these small cap gems. Went from 20 cents to a high all the way at $8.47. So, I mean, if you think about it, it did a 40x already, right? Unbelievable, because 10x would have been $2 and it did 4 of those. So it did a 40x, came back down, and now it's still with a tiny market cap and with a lot of room to grow. And that's how you 100x, guys. You got to be getting things when nobody is talking about them, when they're on the low, when they're getting stepped on, when they're not popular, and then boom. And then, you know, a month later, 2 months later, depending on the timing, you are paid in the shade. So I see this continuing to the upside, getting all the way to about $13.36 from where it's at. Sitting at about $7, this thing is a steal, and it's already up a huge amount. But I see it continuing, and it's really just getting started. This thing could end up way up into the 20s with the market cap where it's at. It's very, very small. Remember, don't stress the price as much as the market cap. $7, yes, is a big price, but this thing can really, really move when it comes to the market cap. On the daily, it's double bottomed and oversold on the stochastics RSI. RSI also in a bit of a pennant and forming its way to reset. And I like what's going on here with the MACD. So all indicators suggest that we are building up some momentum to break to the upside. So it looks like this is going to continue. If you like TA and the TA that I'm going to do, know that I do a show every morning from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time from Monday through Friday. I'm also on Saturdays at about 10:30 to 11 beginning the show, and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern Time for the Bitcoin weekly candle close. That is 14 hours a week that I am streaming on top of making content for you every single day. Not many channels stream and produce content in the same day. Also, if you like more of this information and you want to know when I'm buying and selling and exactly how much I put into these tokens, please join my Patreon. At the end of the video, there'll be a link to the Patreon. Also, right down below in my description, there's a link to my Patreon. For $25, you join my Telegram rooms, which is charts and calls only, a Binance Smart Chain room, a Uniswap room, even a beginner's room to help you learn and fine-tune your skills. For $99, you get access to all those rooms. Then you also get a private live stream that I go through all your portfolios, answer any of one of your questions, and we do that between 2 and 4 times a month. So for $99, you guys get an amazing package that'll help you through this crypto bull run and make sure you make the best of it. So thank you for listening to this video about Meter governance token. I think it has some legs, and I think the idea behind it is amazing. Also, the fact that it can scale Ethereum, supposedly better than Matic and Scale, makes me quite interested in where this coin could go. And then it's also coupled to a kilowatt hour as its value. This thing is quite unique. I'm always looking for a unique coin with a small market cap, and this thing has those two things going for it. Also, with it being able to scale Ethereum, I think it has an amazing, amazing road ahead of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.